Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So all you have to do is to actually enter the settings and find the section Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, which is almost at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, immediately we've got this this graph displayed, which will show us for how long we've been using the device today, almost for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, the clock, messages, voice, etc. Here you've got also the unlocks and the notifications count, and you've got two different options to check some further details. So you can tap inside this graph, and you will be transferred to this dashboard, thanks to which you can actually compare to different or more days. You can check also the apps you've spent the time on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, clocks, messages. Simply tap on it, and again you've got this dashboard, but this time it will show you the data only for that one app. Again, you can change the screen time and from daily to hourly. Right here we've got also some ways to disconnect, and to be honest I highly recommend to check them, because if you will decide that you spend too much time on the screen or you get distracted easily, you can, for example, set the focus mode and hide some notifications in specific days and specific hours. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.